Waterfalls do not belong inside. They must escape walls constructed. They must defeat hearts distracted. They must advance years avoided. First glance, electricity, hopeful petition. First kiss, concentration, opening seal. First time, beauty, gentle shiver. First day, beating heart, fragrant innocence. Without intention, toil's weights are balanced. Without agreement, time's shards take flight. Without reflection, vows promise broken. Without protection, love's language hushed. Forever lost, confess, two souls fusing. Forever lost, caress, two spirits consoled. Forever lost, press, two bodies resting. Forever lost, rest, two lovers exhausted. Forever present, memory, love's first gift. Forever present, memory, life's first breath. Forever present, promise, love's next victory. Forever present, promise, life's next day. Waterfalls by Nadi Gray.